Here we are again. Welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So today was a little something different, and I like to keep little odds and ends. And for this particular project, I'm hoping we could find what we need to put a bolt back in here. This was a curbside find. So what I need is, I'm thinking I might not have everything here. Ideally, I'd want some lock washers. And I don't know if we're going to have everything in this little deal here. So that will work. Oh, we can use that. Yeah, that's better. All right, let's see if we have any. This one. This thing's about to break. Is that gonna work? I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, that's gonna work. So I'm gonna put that on first. I don't think a lock washer is necessary on the top, but definitely Hold on a second. Okay, so we managed to get that in there. I think that's gonna work. There we go. All right. At least we know it'll work. And then we gotta fix all this stuff. But for now, I wanted to make sure that was the problem. They got rid of it. I might have to do something with that. Maybe put some bigger washers in there because it seems like it got torqued over the years. But for something for the little guy, yeah, let's go get him and see if he digs it. It's not completely finished, obviously. There's some tightening I need to do with that bolt, but I think for a dry run, I think it'll work. So just taking some bits and pieces out of there. I ideally would want to put a washer on there. I'm going to find one and put one on. I noticed this one doesn't have one. That stabilizes or helps with the turning. And then it has a very thin washer there. I like these lock washers, but I'll tighten that down. Let's go get them and see. Hold on a second. What do you think, bud? Good deal? Is it a good deal? Yay! Are you happy? Now that your wagon is almost done. Now we can go and finish our walks. You went down? Hold on, put your hands in. Hands in at all times, sir. Oh, we gotta turn around. Whee! Well, that just made me happy for you. Let's back up. Boop, 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 boop. What do you think, Bubba? Yay? You went down? Here. Here, let's try it out. Come on. Careful. Here, try it. Pull your wagon. Here. Come on. There you go. That's yours. Yeah. I think we need to put some air in it. Yeah? What do you think, Bob? You like it? You like it? Watch where you're going. You're going to run into the chair. Yay! Now you can have Daddy. You want to have Daddy? Here, what do you want to put? You want to put some lumber in it? Here. Oh, these have got nails in it. So yeah, I think we're gonna probably put these on, but this one's a little tweaked. So I might get it wet and then put some blocks on it to straighten it out, and then I'll screw, I think, these back in. You like it? All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bubba. Bye-bye. Love you. Uh-oh. Gotta go. He's after the shoes. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you, puppy. Thank you. I'll put those on right now. Thank you, sir. The other one? Oh, you're a good helper. No, 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 no. That's hot. No, that's not touch. The other one? What is that, airplane? Okay, let's, here. Thank you, sir. Ready to go for a walk? Okay, we gotta go. Say bye. Come here. Say bye. No, don't touch. No, sharp. Sharp. Owie, owie. Okay, we gotta go. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. No, Papa. No.